Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Edge crypto trading platform. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're on your browser, tap on this search bar, search for Edge crypto login. On the search results, you'll find the link edge.app, and below that, here you can see the get started option. You can directly tap on it. Now it will get you the link from which you can download its app. If you're on your desktop, you can choose direct APK download option. If you're on your Android, you can choose this install Edge for Android option. Tap on it. It will take you to your Play Store. Now tap on install. The download process might take few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is completed, here you can see the open button. You can directly tap on it to launch the app. If you're new to this platform, you can just tap on this get started button. And in order to log into your account, here you can see the sign in option. Tap on it. Now you need to enter your registered username and your password related to your account. And once you're done, you can tap on this login button and you will be logged into your Edge crypto account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.